friend, you're a funny and a lively person, but you should see yourself at the end of every month, always complaining and don't have any money left. Me, come on, it's not that. I just don't understand where all my money goes. It's like I had a lot and now I don't have a lot. I know, let me break it down for you. The thing is, you never made a budget, but I'm gonna teach you how. When you receive your salary at the start of the month, put off the first craving you have and sit down. Gather all your financial statements and start calculating all the income that you have. If you have more than one source, maybe rent you receive or something else, or add all of it to a list. Next, start calculating your expenses and be honest, really honest on how much you spend every month. Include all side expenses, even tips you give. Keeping track of all this is a tedious process, but trust me, it will pay off. Now the moment of truth, let's compare the two. Most people doing this for the first time are surprised, and it's alright. What you should do now is plan ahead. What I mean is take into account your expenses and cut down on the unnecessary ones. Like you really don't need every new phone or new shoes or new clothes every time. Make the things you buy last longer. Stop using your credit cards and try saving as much as you can properly for any kind of emergency like the pandemic. You can't predict stuff like this, so it's better to be prepared just in case. You can still go out with your friends after the pandemic, but be mindful with your money. So remember, if you don't want to live paycheck to paycheck, then pay yourself first, meaning your savings, and then spend the rest. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to follow us for more.